welcome back to another video of handy gifts. In today's video, I'll be telling you all how I made those gifts for my friend. If you all have not watched the video, you all can check the iCard. It might be this side. Anyway, whatever. So we can check the iCard. I have uploaded a video where I have showed you all what all gifts I gave to my best friend for her birthday recently. So a few of them asked me, how did you make those? So I thought I'll just make a video where I explain how I made it. So yes, all are mainly simple and easy ones. So yes, I'll tell you all how I made it in today's video. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. So to begin with, the first one is the friendship band. I have already made a video of it, so I put it in the iCard as well as in the description, so you'll get the link of that video there. The next one is tiara, for which I use the hairband, and I just stuck the curvy shells however I liked. Like, I used all the colors and I made it colorful. So yes, you all can use any beads or stones however you all like it. So that is how I made the tiara. And coming to phone charm, it was like, if you have seen my video, I had bought a new tool which helped me make tassels. So I used that, and I used this thread or whatever you say for that. So I used this to make the tassel, and I just used jumpings to connect that with the pearl bead flower or whatever you say, the loop of the pearl bead. So yes, that made it look good. Actually, it gave a good look. Coming to next, which is the coaster. I used a CD and an old CD which is not obviously which is not of use now. So at one side I stuck a pattern. I mean, what do I say? A kg cardboard or a thick cardboard sheet which had design on it already printed. So I used that, and on the other side I used acrylic colors. Firstly, I used black, from which I made all the outlines. I just randomly made the shapes. I didn't think of anything, and then I just colored them randomly again. I didn't plan it, I just went on. So that is how I made the coaster. Coming to stress relief book, you all might have already known how I made it. It's just that I took a printout. I searched for some nice stress relief sketching the templates, and I printed it out, and I made it as a book by adding thick cardboard sheets at the front and back, and just used some printouts to stick at the top. So yes, that is how I made that. Recipe book is the same again. I searched for some good recipes. I took a printout of those recipes and used thin cardboard sheet to make it as a book. Coming to the last but not the least, which is the poem. I used an invitation which I already had before. Like, I had got it for some, it was a marriage invitation of someone. So I used that, and inside I just took a printout of the poem I wrote it myself. I used her name, and the first letters are her name, and I just wrote whatever came to my mind and modified it using some nice words. So yes, that is how I made that. I just took a printout and stuck it inside that invitation card. So yeah, that is how I made it. So yes, these are the gifts I made, and also the mini book, I forgot about that. The mini book, that is also already uploaded in this channel. I'll put that iCard as well and in the description, so you all can check it out. So yes, this is how I made all the gifts. I hope you like the idea. Let me know if you have, if you want to know how I made something. If maybe I've shown something but I've not explained it. If I missed out on something, you can let me know. I'll make another video for that as well. So yes, that's it. I hope you'll like these ideas, and I'll surely keep getting more ideas of such type. And if you want me to make a video of any of these, you can tell me in the comment section. I'll surely make a video and upload it. So yes, that is it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Stay tuned. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.